Colin, have you ever seen a nice-looking pair of Crocs sneakers?
Crocs.
Crocs.
The clog Crocs.
The clogs. Yeah, I used to wear them, by the way, when I was a heavy gamer.
No.
I'd wear them in the internet cafe often.
No. It's
I'm about to show you one.
what? It's a travesty.
No, it's not.
What?
It's awesome. Guys, welcome to the vlog. This is Carlo. This is the channel we're talking about sneakers, life, and tech. And today we're unboxing Crocs. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are going to draw the winners of the Rose Gold and Black watch as well as the 3 Soul Republic gift certificates tomorrow. So it's Sunday today. We'll be drawing it on Monday. Watch out for that. Make sure that you are part of the pool by hitting that subscribe button, following me on Instagram, hitting the notification bell, and then clicking the links down below. So like what I mentioned, guys, Crocs. Yes, Crocs. The clogs that all of you probably don't like, but they are super comfortable. I mean, they are.
Okay,
and they are beaters. You can wear them any occasion and they will survive. You can wear them to the beach, they can get wet, and they'll still be okay.
Okay.
But today, I'm showing you another like upgraded version. This is me trying to sell to Colin.
I don't know if it's gonna work. I doubt.
Let's see. So this is the Crocs Pacer. So it's called Literide Pacer. Sorry, it uses their Literide technology, which is super comfortable. I tried it actually already on feet, and it is just really amazing. You guys have to try it out to get the feel for it because words cannot describe how good it is. So nabibenta ka na ba? Medyo. Okay, let's keep it going. So this is the box. So it comes in your typical mint green like Crocs box with the Crocs logo up front. And if you pop the box open, you're immediately greeted, of course, with the actual sneaker.
What?
So Colin, this is the first time we'll see it. This is the Crocs Literide Pacer. So what do you think?
Okay, to be fair, it doesn't look like anything I've ever seen before from Crocs.
Yeah.
The color is actually really good.
See?
I'm surprised. I don't know, kind of speechless. It's weird because it's Crocs, man. But
Yeah, but it looks good. Hey, if Post Malone can make Crocs work,
that's true.
right? Anybody can. It's really more of a perception thing more than anything else.
Okay, that's true.
This one looks nice.
The color blocking is really good.
Diba? You have dark green with the upper, then then you have a really nice accent of vault at the at the back. You have that line of red near the forefoot.
I love the touch of red. It's like the slight touch of red.
Yeah, it's a really good design. You know what? It's a surprisingly good aesthetic, but more than that, it's really the comfort. The cushioning is amazing. I mean, if you press the insole, it is just heavenly. Guys, I'm not selling this and I'm not shilling you for it, but if ever you find yourself in a Crocs store, you really have to try it out. Just put it on feet.
The insole is crazy.
Right? I mean, just put it on feet and try it for yourself. Don't trust me with what I'm saying. Don't trust me. Just try it on and you'll know what I'm talking about and you'll feel it yourselves.
But this is good. How much is the price?
4,200 something pesos.
Oh, that's not so bad.
See? So it's not that bad. It's less than $100, roughly around $80 US, around 4,000 pesos here in the Philippines.
You know, the funny thing about it is you can actually wear this, on your whatever wardrobe that you have, and it's going to work. I think the problem with Crocs, like the old Crocs, is that when you
It is blatantly Crocs.
it is blatantly Crocs. This one, it's not. I mean, even how they were able to like put the Crocs
And very subtle.
It's very subtle. So yeah, I think kudos to the design department of Crocs.
For pulling this off, right?
Pulling this off, yeah.
So this is one sneaker. Now this one is the louder version of the Literide Pacer. Literide Pacer. I'll show you the subtler version of it. Okay. So this is the second pair. So again, it comes in your typical green Crocs box.
Let me help you with that.
It says Crocs at the top, Crocs along the side. I went true to size for this one, and by the way, it is wide feet friendly.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, it is spacious. I was able to wear it for a couple of hours. So I'll just show you guys the shoe. Oh, diba? It doesn't look so bad at all. It's your typical sneaker silhouette. It's black. You have a black upper. You have a white midsole.
Yeah.
And it is extremely comfortable. The cushioning is really good.
You know what? With this colorway, you can actually get away with it, like wearing it in the office.
Yeah.
I think you can.
Well, just don't wear like bright socks because
Yeah, well, definitely.
then it'll pop. But
Yeah.
but I think at the end of the day, the main point is
Comfort.
it looks good.
Yeah.
It looks nice. The pricing is pretty competitive, and it is probably one of the most comfortable sneakers that you can ever put on your feet. And it sells for 4,000 something pesos.
Explain this though.
No, that's their promo. That's the midsole.
Oh, yeah.
So just so you get an idea how soft it is, you're supposed to press it when you see it in store.
So, do you take this out when you wear it?
Yeah, it's not like off-white. Don't wear it with that. If I see somebody walking down the street with that, I will slap the living F out of your face. Okay, so again, this is the Crocs Literide Pacer in black. So really nice looking sneakers. Now guys, I reached out to Crocs Philippines and asked if I could get you guys a discount code.
Ooh, nice.
So it's already at 4,000, but I can even knock off 10%, 400 pesos more. So down below in the description box will be a link to the Crocs Philippines website.
Yeah.
And you will find a discount code for 10% off.
Nice.
So from 4,000 something pesos, you can get this one now for around 3,800 something pesos. Not bad at all.
Actually, sulit na.
So guys, that's actually it. Now again, don't just take my word from it, and don't just take our word for it because we're just random people on the internet. The ultimate test is for you to put it on feet yourselves.
Yes.
So if you find yourself in a Crocs store, check it out. The Literide Pacer. Put it on feet. Take a few steps with it. Jog around the store for if you want, but get a feel for it, and you'll know what I'm talking. You'll experience what I'm talking about, and you can see for yourself, right?
Yeah.
And you can make the ultimate decision.
I'll probably do that tomorrow.
Oh, see? Now, but if you do want to get one, the Crocs Philippines guys have that 10% discount. Use it, abuse it, buy. That's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.
Guys, as a bonus for the vlog, I just want to show you how my cat Dusty sleeps. What's up? Chilling like a villain. Dusty!